Thank you for stopping by and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll be going to Fort Lauderdale, Florida for spring break. Spring break is when the college students have 1 week off and they flock down to the southern states or other tropical places to spend a week. Usually it starts at the beginning of March and can last up until the first week of April. So most of the party takes place by Olas Boulevard and Fort Lauderdale Beach Boulevard. So right now we're walking across Olas Boulevard and we'll be walking along Fort Lauderdale Beach Boulevard. So right now it's early in the evening and it's already starting to get crowded. So we found that most of the college students like to hang out in this area. In this area, you'll find most of the souvenir shops and restaurants and bars. And we found when we came here late at night, you could hardly move around in this area. It was so packed. And you just never know what you'll find on the street. My daughter hated the smell in this area because it smelled nasty, like a trash can or vomit. Coming up on my left is Senior Frog Restaurant and Bar, and it's popular with the kids. Coming up on my left is the Rock Bar, and we found that place to be packed at night. But the place we found that's busy all the time is Cafe Biza, which is here on my left. I hope I pronounced it right. We found this place even to be busy at noontime. Right now you'll see the road, the traffic's okay, but late at night, it's like gridlock. Coming up on my left is the Drunken Taco, which is another popular spot. So we found that there was a lot of police presence along the beach, especially in this area. Now we're going to walk back towards our hotel, which is at the quiet end of the beach. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and leave a comment. And hope to see you at our next video.